Hey there planners, welcome back to the channel Creating with Sarah. So today's video I have for you my Planything advent calendar. Today we're going to be opening 5 through 9, so if you guys want to see what's inside, then keep on watching. So hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm Sarah. In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys the fun Christmas advent calendar by Planything. So today I'm going to be opening 5 through 9, which would put us on the day of day 9. So that way I'm not spoiling anything, and I'm trying to do this all together week by week. This is kind of a bonus video. I've been trying to share with you guys more holiday kind of Planmas videos this year. I thought it would be fun. So let's go ahead and jump right in. This was so fun last time, and I just am excited to see what's inside. So we're going to start off with day 5. Cute. It looks like her fun decorative paper, and there may be some acetate in here. Super cute. So we have 3 sheets here. The first one here is a snowy scene that matches the washi tape that we got in the last video. So pretty, and it's double-sided. So on the back side you have another image in a different color palette. So it's mostly red and white, and we have, you know, the fun holiday icons with the reindeer, stocking, and ornaments, and a candy cane. So this is definitely standard for like a classic happy planner size, but if you have an ERIN CONDREN, you could totally take this paper and decorate your December monthly tab. If you decided you wanted more of a holiday design, you would just measure it out. I think this would fit perfectly on your EC ERIN CONDREN planner, so it definitely would fit at A5 as well. This may be something that I would do to one of my planners, the monthly tab. I think it's really pretty, and I love the smell of the paper. Oh my gosh, I'm like waving it around. I can just smell it. I just love the smell of fresh paper. Is that weird? Do you love the smell of fresh paper too? Okay, so then we have this beautiful one. It's more of like a frame look. You could totally give this as a gift and frame this and put like a family photo in here. You could probably also, you know, paste your favorite quote or hand letter your favorite quote or Bible verse or something and put that there. Frame this and put this in your house as decor. I think that's really pretty. And on the back side is stripes. You could also use all this for December daily if you're doing that. And then we get this fun acetate. I love that it has like this translucent green color. That's really pretty. So this could also something you could add to your ERIN CONDREN agendas. For the ring system, you can just punch out the holes here and add this to your planner as a fun little extra touch. Or again, your December dailies, or if you have the disc system, you could punch that into your planner. But look how pretty that is with that green color. I love this. So that's day 5. Sorry, I don't mean to talk a lot about each item. So next is day 6. We have fun washi. So this one is, I think, a 7mm. And it matches the back side of that paper with the navy blue, but it's just Santa Claus hats. Super cute. So I'm not gonna swatch it. I'm just gonna open it up for you guys, but oh, really pretty. I love it. I love the dark navy blue. The Santa Claus hats really pop. So that's pretty. Add this to my washi stash. A little Christmas stash. So that was day number 6. Day number 7. Oh my gosh, I love this paper. It's so pretty. This feels like a cover. Oh my gosh, look how pretty this is. Okay, so this is Planything's beautiful covers. She makes really great quality covers, and the print is just gorgeous. It would be really pretty to set up a planner for the spring or to the new year. It's just gorgeous. I love like this lilac color, the pink It's like a pale pink with like the beautiful florals on top. And then the inside is always a different design. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. If you love purple, you're gonna love this. Oh my gosh, this would be pretty for my mother-in-law. She loves purple. So this would also make a great gift for someone. So this typically fits a standard mini happy planner. I think, which is a B6. So if you have another B6 planner, you can definitely tuck your planner in here. You could get some notebooks and use it as the folio system or like a TN. You can use the pockets here to put stickers or extra little memorabilia or whatever that you have to take with you on the go. But how cute is this? Oh my gosh, this is adorable. So that was day 7. Oh my gosh, so cute. So some of these items are not holiday related. It's like a mixture so far. Okay, so this is day 8. Kind of want to like figure out what this is. I think this is a little notebook. This is beautiful wrapping paper as well. Oh my gosh. Cute. So these are one of the little notebooks that will fit in the little B6 cover here. So cute. And if you have Planything's like previous items, she may have some notebooks up on her website. And if she does, if it's holiday related or any other seasonal type, you could definitely just cover other paper designer pages and cover it up easily if you wanted to build your own little planner on the go. But look how cute this is. Okay, this is very spring-like to me. Okay, there we go. Oh, that's so cute. So this is dot grid, and it's just a basic little notebook with dot grid paper. How cute is that? So that was day 8. Did I say day 8? Yes. Okay. Last day, which is today, day 9. What is this? It feels like a sticky note. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up. Ah, it is! It's a sticky note, and it matches the whole little collection. So cute. I love this color. So pretty. I love that purple. This is adorable. So this matches the little notebook. How cute is that? This would make a cute gift set too. This whole little trio. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. So super cute. I think my favorite thing is the paper, and then this cover is stunning, like so pretty. So thanks so much for taking the time out of your day to sit down and open up this Christmas Advent calendar with me by Planything. It was super fun. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, definitely subscribe. I'd love to have you here. I have more holiday content planning coming up. I'm trying to post something every single day for you guys in the month of December. I'm doing my best before Christmas Day. But again, I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you all are having a wonderful start to your holiday. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.